Hi everyone, welcome to Crypto Driller. Today I was about to buy a new NFT. The main price is about to occur. I found about that project in Solana Art, and the project I'm talking about is solyetis. I've been following this project in the last weeks and find it interesting. Um, Basically, it's the NFTs consist of jetties. The designs are pretty nice. And as you can see, this project is about to launch in an hour 9 minutes. Their website of the project is basic. It has all the basic information that is required. It's not something extremely big, the information in there, but there's the required information. What's nice is they have a roadmap that is divided in different stages. So this really catch my attention. They are releasing 8,888 jetties, and basically the minting price for each jetty is 0.99 Solanas. And a couple of nice things is about that 50% of the royalties from the trading fees will go back to the NFT holders, and 25 will go to a wallet, and then the holders can vote what to do with those fees. So that's something nice. And they will draw a trip to the Himalayas, and also they will airdrop some baby jetties as well. So seems they have a roadmap. Things seems to be nice. One of the things is the team is anonymous, like in other NFT projects. So this is one red flag, of course. Always we don't know who the people is behind these projects. Now, one thing I've been following this project, I've been looking into the Twitter account, but I run out into something in the last hours, and there was a lot of thought related to the background of the NFTs being images that you can find basically in Google. And here, the tweet account of the NFT project addressed this concern. They're aware of that, and they say they want to clarify the situation. They say that the issue was an issue that the designer messed up, that he selected some stock images for the background, and they were not aware of that, and they apologize for that. So okay, but I mean they're accepting their error. But second, they claim that those images are 100% legal since they bought those images, and they say these images are not stolen. So they're taking responsibility. Yes, they're answering here. One question is, if these images are 100% legal, they bought these images, why it's not the first thing they say here, right? If they bought these images, they can use them if they want. Is it possible some of the images are not from them, or really they didn't bought these images, or they did? I don't know. This is something that is a concern. The other is regarding a designer mess up. So this is an issue, right? Because we want quality, and quality control should happen in any project before the release. And this cannot happen a day before. This should happen a month before, at least a week before the release, but not the day before the release. So, of course, that's a red flag. How solid is this team, right? How experienced is the team? So they say they are taking responsibility for these. They are changing the backgrounds with the images that have the issues. If they bought the images, why there are issues? Or there are no issues at all, and simply they want to make the community happy, no backgrounds, and simply we solve the problem, yeah, that might be a solution, right? But just to show you, here is one tweet that they show the background for the jetty, the pyramids, and basically they say if you Google pyramid cartoon, you can find it. I took the task of doing so, and yes, I googled the pyramid, Google cartoon pyramids, and it's the first image that comes. And if you log in into the image, yes, it's exactly the same image. Now, one of the things here is this site you can buy images for your to use them, right? So it's possible they bought the images, but it's something we don't know. There's no clarity in that end, right? So this NFT project is about to be launched, 1 hour and probably 5 minutes. And the question is here, should I mint or not? I mean, with all these red flags, I would say, no, don't mint. It can be a Rugpull, it can be a scam, right? But I mean, this project really looks good. I like it. If it's an error, yeah, removing the backgrounds, yes, it solves the problem, but it doesn't talk about a solid team or an experienced team, right? So that's something just to be aware. I mean, there needs to be more clarity, right? I don't know the reality of things. I'm just speaking out loud, right? From what I know, from the information I know, from 2 tweets. That's everything I know. So they need to give more clarity. What is for sure is that they address the problem, because for the NFTs that were already given in for the pre-sale, you can see those backgrounds are fully removed, and people seem to be very happy with their NFTs, right? So let's see what happens with the price, right? It's possible you mint, and this is the chance you have in this space. This is a new space, right? It's possible you mint your NFT for roughly 1 Solana, and tomorrow the floor price is around 5 sols or 3 sols. Or it's possible you buy your NFT, well, you mint your NFT, and tomorrow the floor price is around half Solana, zero point 0.1 Solana. So it's like gambling, no? You should be aware of that. Nothing in this video is financial advice. I'm not saying buy or not buy. I'm still thinking about it. I have exactly 1 hour and 3 minutes to think if I'm going to mint one of these NFTs or not. I would say no, but who knows, right? So I just wanted to make everyone aware of this. And if you're deciding for this and the NFT project succeeds, congratulations. And if you mint and the developers just simply disappear, as it has happened in many other projects, it would be bad. And it's bad for the NFT community, right? So please, everyone that is developing NFTs, you are harming this community. You need to be fair. For all those projects that have done similar things in the past, I'm not talking about this project. We don't know what's going to happen after the minting, right? I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. But for the other projects, right, we need to have more clarity, better quality control for things. And if we really want this space to succeed, right? Otherwise, the NFT space, it will lose credibility, and no one will invest in this, right? So please think about twice. To everyone that is developing NFTs, please just be conscious about that. Well, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.